Columbus drivers, when your car doesn't feel right, you need answers fast. At Worthington Automotive, our certified mechanics get straight to the cause. Engines running rough? Check engine lights, leaks, or strange noises? We handle engine repair, brakes, tires, and full auto repair, done right. Got a work fleet? We keep your vehicles reliable and on schedule. Need a state inspection? We make it simple. And if you're a skilled tech, we're hiring mechanics who take pride in the work. Ready for service you can trust? Call us today.